Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're unlocking 20 brand new tools at Home Depot that are set to change the game for pros and DIYers alike. Dozer Saw Set. The Milwaukee Dozer, a 17-piece saw set, priced at $69, is designed for durability and faster cutting performance. Built with bimetal construction, each saw features reinforced ripguard teeth that add strength and are backed by a limited lifetime toothbreak warranty. The low-friction thermoset coating helps achieve quicker cuts in wood while maximizing battery efficiency. Mechanics Tool Set. The Husky 290-piece Mechanics Tool Set equips professionals and DIYers with standard and deep sockets, combination wrenches, hex keys, and bit sockets for almost any task. Priced at $175, it features 72 tooth ratchets for precise work with a 5-degree arc swing, while quick release makes socket and tool changes fast and simple. Vevor Work Platform. The aluminum folding work platform, priced at $109, is built for durability and stability, with a rust and corrosion-resistant frame that supports up to 660 pounds. Its folding design allows quick setup and compact storage, making it easy to transport between job sites. Equipped with a user-friendly handle and secure Velcro straps to hold the legs in place, it offers convenient portability. Scaffolding Work Plank. The Gorilla Compact Aluminum Adjustable Work Plank, priced at $329, is designed to provide a safer, more comfortable working surface with a larger standing area than traditional planks. Its adjustable length ranges from 6 to 14 feet, with secure locking positions at 1-foot increments, making it versatile for different projects and ladder setups. Heavy-duty caster wheels. The MetalTech 14 inches scaffold outriggers with heavy-duty caster wheels, priced at $209, are built to provide stability and mobility for Baker scaffolding systems. Made from powder-coated steel, they resist rust and wear for long-lasting durability. The 5-inch caster wheels ensure smooth movement and feature a dual lock system to keep the scaffold securely in place. Quick-Cinch Clamp Tool. The Apollo PEX. Quick-Cinch Clamp Tool, priced at $39, is designed for secure and reliable fastening of stainless steel crimp rings. Compatible with 3/8, 1/2, and 3/4 inch pinch clamps, the tool uses a ratcheting action that ensures a complete crimp before release, delivering consistent results with 100 pounds of crimping force. PEX Tubing Clamp Tool. The Ryobi PEX Tubing Clamp Tool, priced at $149, is the industry's first battery-powered PEX pinch clamp tool, offering unmatched convenience and efficiency on the job site. Capable of completing up to 400 clamps per charge with a Ryobi's battery, it features one-button activation and an LED indicator to confirm a successful clamp cycle. Table Saw with Rolling Stand. The DeWalt Table Saw with Rolling Stand, priced at $649, combines powerful performance with mobility and convenience for job site or workshop use. Equipped with a 15-amp motor, this 10-inch table saw delivers a 32.5-inch rip capacity, making it ideal for cutting larger shelving, trim boards, and hardwoods. Circular Saw Kit. The rigid 18 volts brushless 7 1/4-inch rear handle. Circular Saw Kit, priced at $349, delivers maximum performance, longer runtime, and the convenience of cordless operation. This saw provides faster cutting than 15-amp corded worm drive saws and achieves up to 375 cuts per charge. Electric Air Compressor. Built with advanced oil-free technology, the Husky 20-gallon electric air compressor offers high performance and durability with minimal maintenance. Priced at $269, it operates at 200 PSI, delivering 35% longer air tool runtime and 36% faster recovery than standard 175 PSI models. Running at just 81 decibels A, it ensures a quieter, more comfortable workspace. Multi-Drawer Toolbox. The Packout Multi-Depth 3-Drawer Toolbox, priced at $198, is a durable and versatile storage solution designed for job site use. With a 50 pounds weight capacity, it features a locking security bar that keeps drawers securely closed during transport and can be padlocked for added protection. Built with impact-resistant polymers, metal-reinforced corners, and all-metal ball-bearing slides, it ensures long-lasting durability. Debris Separator. Dedicated debris separator enhances performance when paired with a Nexus wet-dry vacuum. Priced at $99, it directs debris away from the filter to reduce clogs and maintain strong suction longer, minimizing filter cleanings. Capable of separating up to 99% of job site debris, it sustains airflow and boosts overall productivity. Backpack blower. Delivering gas-like power without the hassle, the Ryobi Backpack Blower Kit outperforms a 58 cubic centimeter gas blower. Priced at $599, it uses 40-volt HP technology with a brushless motor, advanced electronics, and lithium power to generate 850 CFM at 180 mph. With 2 modes and full throttle in under a second, it runs over 2 hours using dual 8 amp-hour batteries. 2-inch loppers. The Milwaukee 2-inch lopper, priced at $89, is engineered for durability and ease of use, making it ideal for heavy-duty pruning. With forged high-carbon steel blades and a low-friction coating, it delivers smooth, effortless cuts on branches up to 2 inches thick. The blades are securely bolted into strong aluminum handles for added strength and long-lasting performance. Impact wrench. Compact yet powerful, the Milwaukee 3/8-inch stubby impact wrench tackles demanding fastening tasks with ease. Priced at $249, it delivers up to 550 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and 3,000 RPM from its power-state brushless motor. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, its lightweight, compact design fits tight spaces, reducing the need for extra tools or disassembly. Jump starter. The Vector Jump Starter is a versatile roadside tool for starting most cars and trucks with engines up to V8. Priced at $164, it features a 120 psi digital air compressor with auto stop for inflating tires and sports gear, plus multiple charging options to keep devices powered while traveling. Job site radio. The Makita Bluetooth job site radio, priced at $199, combines rugged durability with high-quality sound in a compact design. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, it allows wireless streaming from mobile devices, while an auxiliary port provides MP3 compatibility. 2 powerful 3-inch side-firing speakers deliver rich stereo sound, making it ideal for the workshop or job site. HammerShot. The Ramset HammerShot, priced at $34, is a 0.22 caliber single-shot hammer-actuated fastening tool designed for small DIY projects. Ideal for tasks like attaching 2x4s and furring strips to concrete in basements or room additions, it can fasten drive pins up to 2.5 inches. Strip Load Framing Nailer. The Pass Load Framing Nailer delivers cordless, hose-free power for framing jobs. Priced at $454, it's the lightest cordless model at only 7.9 pounds, driving 2 to 3 1/4 inch 30-degree nails flush into tough materials. With a drop-in fuel system and durable battery, it provides up to 6,000 shots per charge and 1,200 nails per fuel cell. Transfer pump. The portable 58-gallon transfer pump is a heavy-duty fueling solution with a UV-resistant polyethylene tank built for tough outdoor use. Priced at $629, its 12-volt pump delivers 10 gallons per minute for efficient refueling of trucks, tractors, RVs, ships, and construction equipment. A mechanical fuel gauge enables real-time monitoring, while duplex filtration removes large and fine impurities for cleaner fuel delivery. And that's the lineup of 20 hot new tools at Home Depot. If you love discovering the latest gear, hit subscribe and stick with the Chop Busters for more tool power every week. Thanks for tuning in.